Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to deposit a check on the Chime mobile app. First, get your paper check ready. Before depositing it, you need to endorse the check. Turn it over and sign the back exactly as your name appears on the front. In some cases, you may also need to write a phrase such as "for mobile deposit only" below your signature. Next, open the Chime mobile app and log in to your account. On the home screen, tap the Move tab, then select Mobile Check Deposit. This will take you to the Mobile Check Deposit feature. Now, enter the exact amount written on the check. Be sure to type the amount carefully so it matches the check. After that, you will need to take pictures of the check. Place it on a dark, flat, and well-lit surface. Make sure all four corners are visible and that there are no shadows, glare, or blurry areas. Take a photo of the front of the check, then take a photo of the back. Once the photos are uploaded, review all the information on the confirmation screen. If everything looks good, tap Submit to send your deposit request. Chime will review and process the check. Processing times may vary, so monitor your account for updates regarding the deposit status. Thanks for watching.